Good day, everyone. This is Teacher Jen, your English teacher for today. In this video, you will be able to witness how the student utilizes the DEPED LMS for online asynchronous teaching modality. Through the usage of the LMS, the student will be able to access the prepared lessons and modules and to work on it in their own pacing, or in other words, it is called self-paced learning.
Magandang araw! Ako po pala si Ron. Ngayon ay gaganap ako bilang mag-aaral ni Teacher Jen ng Grade 5 Mulave sa kanyang subject na English. Naturuan na pala kami ni Teacher kung paano mag-login at maka-access sa subject o course na kanyang inihanda dito sa DEPED LMS. Kaya samahan niyo ako upang mag-aral gamit itong DEPED LMS. Sa una, dito sa browser natin, i-type natin ang lms-test.deped.gov.ph. Pag nakarating na tayo sa interface na ito, ilalagin natin ang ating username at password. Then click login. Pag nakapasok na tayo sa ating dashboard, makikita natin ang course na inihanda ni Teacher Jen at ito yung English Grade 5 Mulave. Makikita natin kaagad sa ating dashboard yung course na inihanda ni Teacher dahil na-enroll na tayo ni Teacher bago pa man tayo pumasok dito sa DEPED LMS. Kaya, i-click natin ito. Ayan. Ito na yung course na inihanda ni Teacher. Basahin natin. Day 1, Wednesday. Lesson Objectives. I-open natin itong lesson objectives. In this module, you will be able to 1. Fill out forms accurately. 2. Appreciate the importance of filling out forms accurately. So, ito pala yung objectives na inihanda ni Teacher para sa lesson na ito. Balik na tayo. So, Part 3, Learning Procedure. Letter A, Pre-test. Direction. Bakit may nakalagay na restricted? Not available unless the activity lesson objectives is marked complete. Itong lesson objective, nabasa na natin, kaya i-check na rin natin to. Yan. Check na rin natin itong Day 1, Wednesday. Pati itong learning procedure at saka pre-test. Ayan, na-check na natin yung mga naunang gagawin. Pwede na siguro nating ma-open itong direction. So, ito palang direction ni Teacher. Watch the video presentation. Okay. So, i-check natin ang direction. Ngayon, pindutin natin itong pre-test video.
Good day, Grade 5. Welcome to school year 2020-2021. And I am your English teacher. And welcome to my class. For today, we will have our lesson from Quarter 1 using Module 1, Week 1, which is filling out forms. So let's proceed. In this lesson, you will be able to fill out forms accurately, and appreciate the importance of filling out forms accurately. Okay? I do hope that you have your module with you. At this time, I want you to go to page 2 of your module. I will read the direction. Fill out the forms below. Complete it by using the possible answers found inside the box. Use the form provided to you.
Tapos na nating napanood yung video na inihanda ni teacher dito sa pre-test. At sabi niya, very good daw ako. So dahil tapos na tayo dito sa pre-test, i-check na naman natin ito. So dito na tayo sa letter B, review. Meron na namang direction. Click natin. Direction. Watch the video presentation. Balik tayo doon sa course. Check naman natin itong direction. Tapos na nating binasa ang direction ni teacher. Ngayon, dito na tayo sa review video. Panoorin natin itong review video.
Let's now proceed to our second activity, which is in What's In. Here, we are going to examine the forms below and then identify each. Pick your answer from the choices inside the box. Write it on your answer sheet. It may be your paper or your activity notebook. On your module, I want you to go to page 3 for this activity. As what you have noticed, there are 3 kinds of forms in your module. And you just have to identify them by choosing the correct answer or the right answer from the words inside the box. What are the words inside the box?
Ayan, sinabi na naman ni teacher sa akin, excellent daw ako. So tapos na nating napanood ang review video. So balik na naman tayo dun sa course para malaman natin ano ipapagawa ni teacher sa atin. So dahil tapos na ako sa review video, i-check ko dito sa box para makapunta ako sa susunod na gagawin. So sinabi ni teacher, hanggang day 3 lang ang i-accomplish ko dito sa LMS course. So dito na ako sa day 2. Check. Discussion. Check. Meron na namang direction. So dahil natapos ko nang napanood ang review video, pwede ko nang i-open itong direction. Ayan, watch the video presentation. So, panunoorin ko na naman yung inihandang video ni teacher. Discussion video. I-click ko ito. Pero bago yan, check muna natin na tapos na tayo sa direction. Then, dito na tayo sa discussion video.
This time, we will learn deeper what do we mean by deposit slip and withdrawal slip. Here, a deposit slip is a small paper from that a person includes with a bank deposit to show how much money he or she is putting in the bank account. It contains the deposit date, name and bank account number of the depositor, and the amount to be deposited in the form of checks or cash, and the signature of the depositor. Specifically, a person who deposits or places money.
O ayan, tapos ko na napanood ang discussion video. Ngayon, balik na naman ako dun sa course. So dahil napanood na natin ang discussion video, i-check na naman natin dito para makaproceed tayo sa next activity. So dito na ako sa day 3, Friday. Check ko na naman ito. Letter D, activity. At pati na rin ito. Meron na namang direction. Pero, dapat napanood ko daw yung discussion video. At dahil tapos ko nang napanood ang discussion video, pwede ko na siyang ma-open. Direction, watch the video presentation. Tapos, balik tayo doon. At pwede na nating i-check ang direction. At pwede na nating mapanood itong activity video. I-click natin.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1. As you have noticed in the account number, there are lines. So, one blank is, it is appropriated for one number. Next is the account name. What do you think is the answer here? You're correct. The correct answer for the account name is Criselda V. Castillo. And then the amount in words. The amount in words, the correct answer to be placed here is 10,000 pesos. You should write it in here, in words. And in figures, here on this part, you have to write the 10,000 peso in figures in this part. Have you got the correct answers? Excellent!
Ayan, sinabi na naman sa akin ni teacher na excellent. Madali lang palang mag-aral dito sa DEPED LMS kasi naka-arrange na yung mga gagawin natin from day 1 up to day 5 sa isang buong linggo. Dahil tapos ko na ang activity video, i-click ko naman ito na complete. Ayan, natapos ko na lahat ang naihanda ni teacher para sa linggong ito. Hihintayin ko na naman ulit sa susunod na linggo kung ano pa ang pasasagutan ni teacher dito sa DEPED LMS. So dahil tapos na ako, pwede na akong bumalik at i-click ko itong dashboard. So pagdating dito sa dashboard, pwede na tayong mag-log out. I-click natin itong drop-down arrow nandito sa upper right corner ng ating screen. And log out. So ganun lang po kadali kung paano natin i-access ang ating DEPED LMS. Ito ay magagamit na natin ngayong darating na pagbubukas ng ating klase. Sana po ay nasundan ninyo at may natutunan kayo kung paano i-explore at i-access ang mga subject or courses na inihanda ng ating mga teacher dito sa DEPED LMS. Marami pong salamat sa inyong panunood. Hanggang sa muli,